Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you one cool feature that you can do with videos in Canva. So first important thing is we'll go over to create a design and we'll look for a video. Okay, and we'll go over to the video section here and we will search for a video related to, let's say, somebody running or exercising. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and say workout video. Okay, this is just an example I'm giving, and I'll go over to videos here, and you have all these different videos that are available. So let's say I pick up this video here, and this is the video I'm going to pick up. I'm going to expand this video all to this whole frame. And one thing you can do with the videos also is you can remove the backgrounds, you can add text to the videos, things like that. So for example, onto this video, if I wanted to add some text which is behind it, so what I'll do is I'm going to duplicate this video. So right click on it and do a duplicate. So that way what will happen is another video has been on top of it. And if you go over to the positions and the layers, you're going to see the first layer is this, and then the second layer is there, and then there is a background. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll add some text here. So we'll go and add some text, and I'm going to put it over here, and we'll call it as motivation. And then I'm going to increase the size to, let's say, 100, and we'll change the color to, let's say, white. Okay, so this is my color, motivation. And let's say if you want to increase it to 200, you can do that. So make it a little bit bigger, motivation. And now you have two videos, right? So what you can do is select one video, and you can do remove background. So in order to do that, you'll go to edit video, and then there is an option called background remover. This option is available in the pro feature of Canva. So I'm assuming you are having the pro feature, and now you have two videos on top of each other. So if you see here now, if you go over to the layers again, position, you can move motivation on the top, or you can put the guy in the front here, the main person. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it and put this person in between. So now if I play this, this is how they looks like. Right now it's not synced, so let me go ahead and sync both of them together. And we're going to start from the beginning. And you see here the text is behind the text is behind the guy. And if I want to move this text, I can move it by going over to the video. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then I can move it like this. And if you want, you can put this guy over here, and you can have two views of this person. So this can be your video that you can add a cool effect onto your video also. So you can play around with these effects of Canva, and you can take your videos to the next level. So if I take this back and move the motivation over here, and now you can see here this guy is behind, one of them is behind, and then you can see this is a cool effect that we have created. And if you don't like this effect, you can actually take this guy and put it back over here, and you have this effect that's going on. Now it might not look in sync right now, but if you download the video, it will look properly on the sync. Okay, so this is a cool effect that you can add onto your videos when you are creating videos in Canva. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.